your home can be really easy with vacuum cleaners. But if you chose a wrong vacuum cleaner, it may lead to many problems. Problems like finding your attachments here and there, or problems of your vacuum cleaner making a lot of noise, and many other such problems. Panasonic introduces a new breed of vacuum cleaners. Here we have with us CJ919, super premium vacuum cleaner from Panasonic. This beautiful body with mirror-like finish has soft bumpers and soft rollers which will prevent your furniture, your floor or your product from damaging while using. You can have a stress-free cleaning by changing the nozzle only by the foot for floor, upholstery or narrow spaces by Easy 3D nozzle from Panasonic. Its convenient telescopic handle can be adjusted for cleaning the floor without bending or for reaching high areas without stretching. Its 2500 watts powerful motor ensures high performance cleaning and is enclosed in a double floating motor case which suppresses the noise levels, thus giving you a quiet operation. This vacuum cleaner includes HEPA filter under this cover which collects 99.97% of dust particles for healthier living. Cleaning your home can be really easy with vacuum cleaners.